Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick how-to video here for this yarn bowl. I picked one of these up as a gift for my girlfriend who loves to knit, and she really liked it. When she opened it, she was super excited. This one is by a company called Yarn and Fiber. It's really nice. It's a dense, nice solid piece of wood, so it's got a good weight to it, which is helpful. But when she opened it, she didn't really know how to use it because she had never seen one of these before. So I figured there's probably other people out there wondering the same thing. So I figured I'd create a short video. Basically what you do is just take your center pole, just take your wound ball of yarn, put it in the bowl there, and then feed it through this guide. And then it actually helps if you rotate the bowl by about 90 degrees, and then as you're working, the yarn will pull and slide through that guide, and then the bowl, keeps the ball of yarn in place, as you can see. So hopefully this is helpful for some people, and thank you very much.